Okay, now the kids are going to hang this year's ornament. Show us your ornament. This is the 2010 ornament. It's a little robot. You like it?
I want to hang
Now, Brianna, this is hers.
first
It's cute.
ornament right here.
Excellent. Hello, little robot. Let's see. Maybe if we hang it like that.
Hello.
Yeah, now we can see it really good.
Oh.
Hey, Aubriana, let's hang your special robot. Ready? Ready? Right here. So you can see it. Look. Aw. Look. Aw. And now here's Sir Calvin's. Sir Calvin's. Let's see. This is his first Christmas. He gets a robot too, like the kids. Isn't that cute?
That one's mine.
He's not here, so we're going to hang his for him and show it to him. He's not quite, he's 23 months old. Let's see, we'll hang his right here. Okay. So now, here's the tree with icicles. Go stand over by the tree, Logan. This has got the icicles. It's got, oh, it doesn't have the star. Aubriana, don't take it off.
No.
Okay, both of you look at the camera and say something for goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodwill. Merry Christmas.
You two say Merry Christmas.